Alright, we're going to do my washroom walkthrough. I'm going to show you my bidet. So this is my bidet. Eureka Bidet. It's got the fighter jet handle. And if you press down on it, the water stream comes out of there. And as you can see, I do have toilet paper. That's for guests who come by. But I myself do not use toilet paper unless I am blowing my nose. This is what I use here, my reusable organic wipes. So I use the bidet, clean myself off, use the wipe to wipe myself, to dry things off, and then wipe the seat, anything that got on there, and then I put it in my trusty cloth only bin, and when I'm out I wash them. It's simple. And so as you can see, this thing is really easy to install. So basically you have your toilet seat. It has like a bolt that goes through a hole in the porcelain on the bottom, and you have like that threaded bolt. You screw a nut onto there on this side and that side, and usually plastic nuts. So as you can see, that's what holds the bidet on, and of course you have your plastic piping here. So all toilets are really simple. They have like this stainless steel braided piping that goes down to this valve. Here's your water intake. If you ever want to do any work on the toilet itself, you switch that off. And that's what you have to do for this bidet, because it comes with this plastic pipe and it has a T connector. First you switch this off, then you flush the toilet to clear out the top and to clear this out so there's as little spillage as possible and you don't get water everywhere. Once that's off, you screw that off, put the T in there in line, put that back on, and you're good.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.